Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. According to a legend, whom did Sikandar Lodi, the Sultan of Delhi, try to kill by various means, whether he is Nanak or Mirabad or Kabir or Chaitanya? So here we try to give you the answer along with a small description with it. So let's see what is in this answer. Kabir Dev was tried to be killed by Sikandar Lodi. The then Sultan of Delhi, by various means. This was stated by Sikandar Lodi's spiritual guru or Pir Sheikh Taki. Okay, therefore option 3 is the right answer. So we successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.